Formation of shadows. When there is some obstruction in the path of light, we see a shadow. Light is always needed for a shadow to form. Shadows can never form in total darkness. Let us see how a shadow is formed. If an opaque body is placed in the path of light, the light cannot pass through it. The rays are stopped from going to the other side of the opaque body, and the space behind the body does not receive any light from the source. The space behind the opaque object where the light cannot reach is called a shadow. Thus, shadows are formed when light is stopped by objects. An opaque object casts a dark shadow. A translucent object casts a faint shadow. And a transparent object casts no shadow at all. Shadows are formed because light travels in straight lines. If the source of light is very small, that is, a point source, then a sharp, well-defined image is formed on the screen. When the source of light is wide, two shadows can be seen. One shadow is completely dark, called the umbra, in the center, and the other is a partial shadow called penumbra surrounding it. Notice that the umbra does not receive any light from any portion of the source, whereas the penumbra receives light from a part of the source. Shadowless lighting. The fact that light travels in straight lines and produces shadow is used to produce shadowless lighting. Here, the source of light is much larger than the object. For example, when a fluorescent lamp or a row of bulb is shown on an object, the umbra formed is very close to the object. Thus, by reducing the umbra region of the shadow, a shadowless effect is created.